Yeah. I think we're going to, the first thing we have to do is to give thanks to God for the day, today. Thank you, God, for all the blessing we have from Him. In the morning, we wake up in the morning and we got life. We wake up in the morning, we got happiness. We wake up in the morning, we see our family. But all these things, food and life and happiness, we have to thank God for all the things we have. Especially, I'm very sorry I'm not a shepherd, but because I was thinking of the baby, I think it should be your pastor. That's because that's his shepherd, sheep. As the Bible says, is the pastor. That's just your pastor. But anyway, it's our family. We come to a family together, and the pastor will see his his sheep. Because your pastor, that's his sheep. Not us, not me. But it's a family together. Well, we had to thank God, and also all these kids of our family, the two families, the Soriola family and the 𝐅𝐸𝐸 family. So we had to thank God for all this, and the time together, and the happiness, and all the kids. And the other thing I remember is this Sunday is the Mother's Day. The Mother's Day. I think all the mothers of our family were free. Vicky, Sana, and Melonba. I think they expect you kids to give them something tonight, a gift, something tonight. So I know your mom is emptying their pocket, ready to fill up whatever you're going to put in their pocket tonight. But the love, that's the main thing. Your parents, your mom, looking at you. Have to love your mom. And as it's a good mom, it's always in a good family. You can see a good family, that means there's a good mom in that family. So I don't know which is a good mom of this three, but we're looking at it. And one day, they might, the good mom. So they always say, Jesus in that house. Without the mom in the house, there's no Jesus in the house. Because the mom, she got a good advice for the family. And I think all the kids, you should listen to your mom. Your father and your mom. Because your mom give you the good advice. Even myself, when I was young, I always listened to my mom. My mom is my guide through all my life when I was young. Send me to this family, another family, go and help that woman, go and help that family, go and help that. She always, like my mom always say that. I hope your mom do the same thing. So we're going to serve God with our devotion tonight. Tātou whāwhitai le rofa maranga le lei o tātou mtai le lang, mo tātou umalama tai tūtasi. Le ngata ia tātou, ia alpepou tātou ainga, ia ainga lua, whāwhitai le tu, lana mea alofa lea, so se ainga lava. I think that's one of the best gifts from God to any family, is a baby, is a life, it's a new life in any family. There's a new generation. That's why we need families, babies, so that a generation keep going and going on in our family. Without the babies, the generation will cut off and the family will kaput. No family. I whāwhitai le tua o no soifua maleola, tai ko ia Cherry Maviki, ia mo te fōu maua, tōnu le tātou ainga. Awalani ngalo ia tātou whafu o le vi inga o le whaminua mahane tanga i lo tātou tai. tātou te whātai a lava na mea lofa fua I fua. Mo I tātou, whātou tere ngai pēr, ngafa, tono o tātou ainga, le ngata la I tātou ainga nei, ainga fua I mātua riki, ia, whāpēnā fua I nātou nei, isi fua I māenga o tātou ainga, lo whāpēnā fua I nalangona fia me talo mai. Ui lama I tātou leo māputa pēr I nātou, mātua riki, ia au le ngā whātai, tātou au whātasi no mo le atu, whātai ai, le nei pepefo, ula ma mea lofo fua I tonu I tātou ainga. Ia la tātou sauni tātou whātai, tātou tauroto I salamo, I luas fu na tūnu sa I ala o tātou mātanga le po, o Iova, Loro Mamoria, le aise mea o tutivai, na te avea o meo I el ofu, o tu ai, na te taia te au te whakara o na tafu le ni, na te whafuisia mai runga, na te taia te au le ala lana tonu, ono rosa waka, e ui lawa I lau swani bani le ataroti, o te lefu flawa si le au, wa oe te kata ma, laula au mroto to o whamaka whanai na ia, te laula o mai mea I nao ai mao lono I te mai a tia, wa e whao I na lono swau, tam sus mola wipo, moni, e mulu mai a tia o dama nei mara lofu I asu umolo, o te no fua whanu I o mai asu te lava, tātou pesi.
Hawheta I le atu ai ua lofa lona lofa ua tumau eleleu e whawara
Hallelujah.
tua sisili ese, le tua le tama, le tua le ala, le tua le ngā whaia. Ngā mātou pese whāstai o ruma le iku la le afiasi. Wawala ngona lawa i mātou ima lawa i mātou awa nei a te au tama, te mātua i tai tō ua ni whanau pele o pe o mātou poto kuai. Le nganga o le fia ma le nganga whāstai le le ie. Wawa iai se isi whapoponga i so tonu le mātou aina e pia le mātou iai whātasi. Ma Jerry ma Vicky, ia ma le pefo e mea lofa wa e fua mai tonu le mātou aina. La le la mona ai e mātou malama taito tasi lo mātou tua le fia mea
Lo mātou te mai mana. Ia pai o sofa. Lo malo. Ia whai o whenga. Ia whaina. Ia whai mai a te mātou. Ia mātou mea ai tau mea so. Ia whai mai a te mātou. Ia mātou sang. Ia mātou fu, mātou whananga mātou. Ia whai mai a te mātou. O foi te le mātou. Hātu songa. Ai e la vea e mātou a lea. Wai o malo mana. A tō mui.
O fiu filo anganga. O fiu filo anganga. Anganga sa. O fiu fima. O te lo.
Whanau, mori atu whakatai a te otoma. Wana statu whasangi, tatu whapolu, tatu tapa agulangi. Ia, sanga whapopo lea tua le. Marosi o lo soifua. Watau singa o tatu wainga. Ia, leia. Viki ma chen, whamaro toa. Ia, whainga le. Mare a inga, ia, te foi o matua. Tionga ia matatia ma roma vai. Boli atu i whamaguria ma papai atu o lua. A role le toa. Ma role on sai. A role fu pat. Le mana i fu lingo i tama. Whainga. E lo whangia le atua i atu o lua. Whaiva foi o lang o fia. Whatu o tua, whamoe le atua. A wār tau singa o luanga luainga. Ia sanga whamangia le atua ia te lua. Maua lua soifua. Maua toi mau mei malosi o viki. A maise singa ia. Ia teru. Le rau whasonga malosi foi o tino. Ia tei o upu i nā i motu sarapa. I sarafai. Au i mana, au i mara. Au i manu. Unlucky sometimes. But God will give you luck. Yeah, ma e ko ringo fe pa manatu foi pese there late in the midnight hour. God's going to turn things around. It's going to work in your favor. We are blessed. You are blessed. And God bless us all. Ya man ia lua ainga. And we are foi ya netu le ainga ya tama ya. Loro fie ya maise lua matua ya matatia. And maise tatu ainga toa ono Yesu. Amen. Tai.
Ne, mama tato.
Ya, sang. Ya, so me la karea de. Ya. Me la karea mo o dua. Ya, ka. O. Pero mo nga ba de. Favour. Alofongia. Favour. Alofongia de.
Just want to say thank you guys to the family for coming around. I know it's a week now. It's a week 7 days old now, and it's good that he's come this time because he looks a bit stronger now. He's eaten quite a bit, so I just thank you guys, not just for today, but for praying for us the last 9 months. It's not something easy to bring a child into this world, but it's even harder if you do it alone, And so I always thank God for family and the people that are around you, and so something that we're very grateful for. I think thank you to Ma for your prayers for us and our family, and for leading the family as well. It's 9 months ago is a different position. We're all in 9 months ago, even 3 months ago, and now to look at where we are now, we got to thank God, and we think about where God can take us, and I think that's why we name him Favour, because God shows favour on us. He shows a lot of. We shouldn't be here. We think about it, our life. We shouldn't be here, but he has a plan for each and every one of us. Who would have thought that we'd be here? And his middle name is Lael, which means it belongs to God. So this baby, we prayed for him. We said, whatever you want for him, then we give him to you. So just like the story of Samuel. And so, I thank you, family, not just also to our parents as well, for you guys, helping us from when we stayed together up until now, calling, making sure everyone's okay, leading us and guiding our family. And thank you for your love and support, your prayers. I thank you also, Samoan Bill, for your guys. Every time we see you guys, and you guys are always helping out, and just watching you as well with your family, it encourages us with our family. If you can do it with 30 kids, with us. If you can do it with all your kids, we can do it with 2. So we just gotta keep on pushing, and I know, greater things will happen. And also our siblings, thank you guys. You guys do a lot, whether it's through money or whether it's through just even looking after the other one over there, looking after Fipe, or helping out every single thing. I thank you guys for your love and your support. But especially tonight, I hope it's good to. Very happy to see you guys. Very happy for the love and the prayers, and for you, Tama. Thank you for, like I've said before, I thank you for what you said in the beginning was true, and everything you said in the prayer, I totally agree with as well. And so, just to show a little bit of gratitude, we don't have everything here to show. Not words can't. There's not enough words to say thank you, and we don't have enough in the account to say thank you. But just a small for just for you, maybe for your trip tomorrow to go and have a few, and for your Mother's Day. But just thank you, Jerry. Thank you. And just for everyone else, not money, but where you can enjoy some dinner with us before you guys go home. Thank you. Thank you. Love you all. God bless.
Thank you, Jerry. The money is less, but the love of God to you, because I couldn't even believe before. There's the last 3 months. They said, "Oh, they're ready for the new baby." How? Jerry's sick. No, but we have different way. God has His own way for Russell. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for the baby. There will be no more baby coming into our family. Now and now and now. Thank you.
Sick at daytime, no sick at night.